Katchy's insect trap has mastered the art of bug catching. It is designed to trap fruit flies, mosquitoes, gnats, and moths. Katchy works with a triple trapping power. In the first stage, the UV light attracts flying insects who gather under the lamp. In the second stage, the insects are sucked into the machine by the fan. Finally, the bugs will get stuck on the gluey board that not even the tiniest insects can escape from. You'll get visible results in a couple days. Replacing the sticky glue board is simple. Just remove the plastic cover from the glue pad, place it on the bottom of the trap, and close the storage box. Now the trap is ready to catch again. For better results, place the trap as close to the bugs as possible. For example, next to the fruit bowl, plants, or trash bin. Bugs are attracted to the UV light in dark. Want your child to have a good night's sleep? Let the trap remove all the annoying mosquitoes from the bedroom before sleep time. Katchy. Life without the buzz.
If you've been looking for a better way to fight mosquitoes and other flying insects, look no further. Dynatrap operates quietly and simply, without requiring propane or other chemicals. Simply plug it into any wall outlet and flip the switch. You won't even know it's at work until you begin to see the results. UV light from Dynatrap provides a warm attraction to flying insects. Carbon dioxide emitted from the unit mimics our breath, creating an irresistible attraction. When insects approach, Dynatrap's quiet, powerful vacuum fan draws them into a retaining cage where they dry up and die. Without chemicals, without sprays, without zapping, Dynatrap can be placed anywhere within the entrapment area, including areas of human traffic. Stop zapping. Start trapping with Dynatrap.